The 48-hour rule that stopped me from wasting $400 a month. You're standing in line at the store, and you see it. A little gadget you didn't know you needed 5 minutes ago. It's $34. Not a big deal, right? You buy it. Later that night, scrolling on your phone, another ad catches your eye. Something on sale. Something you deserve after a long week. $19. Then the weekend hits, and you're out with friends. And somehow you're the one who orders the extra thing. Picks up the round. Says, it's fine. It's just money. And then one random Tuesday, you open your bank statement and you stare at it like it's written in a language you don't recognize. Where did $400 go? You didn't buy anything big. You didn't go on a trip. You didn't make one huge mistake. You made 40 small ones. Look, here's the thing. Most people think overspending comes from big purchases. A new TV, a vacation, a car upgrade. But that's rarely the real problem. The real problem is invisible. It's the $12 here, the $25 there. It's basically free purchases that don't even register as spending in your brain. And this is where it gets really interesting, because there's one simple rule that stopped this pattern for me almost overnight. It's called the 48-hour rule. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, why it works, and how you can use it starting today to stop the leak that's quietly draining hundreds of dollars from your life every single month. My name's Jack, and I spend way too much time thinking about where money actually goes.